Hello everybody, let me go through sequence and summation. As we see here in this example, we have a sequence. We already took this example before, that if we want to have x and y, so as a tuples of x for every x in 1, 2, 3, and y in he and she and letters. Okay, so this is very clear how to create a series here. Okay. Now, if you would like to create an empty set, as we see here, set 1 and set 2, and initialize it as an empty set, and then we can fill in or add the elements to each set. Here, for I in the range 1 up to 10, and incremental by 2, so it will be 1, 3, and 5, 7, and so on up to 9. Okay, then we have to use the add method here to assign or add each I value to this set S1. Okay, and we can do the same thing here but use a different method. Here, set 2 dot add over x for every and each x in the range 1 up to 10, incremental by 2. Okay, so let me run this one, and as we see here, we got 1, 3, 5, 8, 7, 9. Okay. Now, if we want to find the values, okay, x value, given that x is a real number such that x the power of x power 2 equal to 1. Okay, so here x for x in range negative 2 up to 10, incremental by 1, then we want to find the power of the square power of for each x value with the square power of 2. Okay, and the equal 1. Okay, so here we want to find all elements that you can square it or find the power, the square power, and the result will be equal 1. So only the negative 1 and 1, as we see here in this example by run it. Okay, so we started from negative 2 up to 9, incremental by 1, and find all values. Whenever you get the power, the result will be equal to 1. So negative 1 and 1. Okay, here in this example we would like to find the x values, given that x is a positive integer and less than 12. Here, as we see here, is the x value for x in the range 0 up to 15, so less than 15, so it will reach here 14, as we see here. Okay, we want to find the x value for x in range 0 up to 15, and if the x modulus 2 not equal to 0, which means that I'm looking for the odd values here. Okay, so starting from 0 up to 14. Okay, so it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, 11 up to 15. Okay, x value for x in the range negative 100 up to 100 if the mass power x square, okay, less than 101. So here negative 10, because the square power for negative 10, it will be 100 up to 10. So here we added a 101. Okay, let me change this one to 70, for example. Okay, as we see here, it's 8 up to 8, because 8 is equal to 64. Okay, now the same thing here. Okay, so now if we want to find the cardinality, we said before that the length of element in a set, as we see here in this set of A, so try to find it is the 10 elements. Summation, find the summation of a series. We can simply use a sum method, sum of set 1 and set A, as we see here in this example. We have set A, let me take this one, okay, to print this set. Okay, so this set value 0, 1 up to 9, so we can simply use the summation built-in method, sum of set 45, or we can use the iteration. Okay, as we see here, set sum equal to 0, then for I in set elements, set sum, that's initialized by 0 plus I, and then we end with this iteration. Then at the end we can print the total summation that has been calculated. Okay, thank you.